Well, it's time to clean out this dryer vent, and looking at it from both ends, you can see it is really, really nasty. In fact, it was coming out in chunks so bad, so big, that I had to end up taking the whole entire dryer vent hood off just to complete the job. I even had to go down to the crawl space, separate the pipe a little bit, because it was a long one, 28 feet long. Now here I am putting the new vent hood back on, sealing it all up so it's nice and weatherproof, and this last little shot is what's in the shop vac when I'm done.